All right, this is our second grade math lesson 9-6. Write the missing numbers in the chart. Be ready to explain how you found the missing numbers. So this is just our hundreds chart. We're going to go through and just plug in the numbers. It is pretty easy. Some strategies you can use is you can go across and add by ones, or you can go up and down. See how the numbers in the ones place are all the same? 1, 2, 3, 4. So for this column, I'm going to do 51, 61, 71, 81, 91, 121. For this one, I'm going to go across 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Let's see, that's 82, 92, 132, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Let's see, we can go across this way too. 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140. Phew! This one we're going to be just writing a lot of numbers. It's a pretty easy unit, and because you guys are used to filling in your hundreds chart every morning, this is basically what we are doing. Same exact thing. All right, you can use place value patterns and mental math to count by ones and tens and by 100. The ones digits go up by 1 from left to right, right? Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, okay? And then when we go down, we add plus 10 as we go down the columns. So you can also do that with our mental math with 500s, okay? So it's exactly the same as if we had no hundreds, we can add 500 in front of there. So let's take a look at this on the Do You Understand? Show me. 536, 537, 538, 539, 540, 531. Now look at this. What's happening? 531, 541. What is happening? I'm noticing that my tens place value is going up. So 3, 4, something, 6, 7. So I know it's going to be a 5. So 530, they're all ones and 5. So 531 plus 10, 541, 551, 561, 571. So we're just going to be adding up by ones and tens. So in number 1, you can go ahead and trace over the numbers that are dotted. Let's go ahead and fill this one out. 412, 413, 414, 415, 16, 417. Then we can go up and down. 422, 423, 424, 425, 426, 427, 428, 432, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, and we know they're all a 4 in the hundreds place. Phew, so we just have lots and lots of numbers to write in. All right, let's do this. This is going to be easy peasy. Okay, here we go. So we're just going to use our place value patterns and mental math to fill in the numbers. But we have to take a look at everything and just make sure there aren't any tricky ones. So it's an 884, 885, 886, 887, 888. I feel like I'm going to get all tongue-tied doing this. Now let's figure out what this is, because it's not showing our total number. We don't want to go 889, 890. We've got a 1, in the ones place we have a 4. And let's see, we have 884 plus 10. Remember, every time we go down a row, we go plus 10. Every time we go across, it is plus 1. So down the column, plus 10. So let's see, 894, 895, 896, 897, 898, 899, 904, 905, 906, 907, 908, 909. And we can double check to make sure our math is correct by looking at our numbers in the ones place. We have all 4s there, all 5s, all 6s, all 7s, all 8s, and all 9s. All right, let's keep going. We're just going to be filling in numbers like crazy. All right, this one here. I need to know the number right before 146. I know it's going to be 145, and I can check my place value here. 46, 147, 148, 149, 150, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160. Ooh, we got to figure this one out. I have 5 in the ones place, 100s, 4, 5, 6, 165, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Phew, told you we were going to be writing a lot of numbers, but it's not too hard, which is good. 456, 457, 458, 459, 460, 461, 462, 463, 464, 465. Oh my goodness, my mouth is getting exhausted. Oh, now look, this went up by +1. Look at this one. This is going up by +10. So let's do this. This might be a little tricky. 620, 630, 640, 650, 660, 670, 680, 690, 700. That one can be a little tricky there. 710, 720. All right, let's keep going. Let's take a look at these. 232, 242. Yep, we're going up by +10. So let's count our 10s. 232, 242, 252, 262, 272, 282, 292. Look at this. 92 plus 10 becomes 302. 302 plus 10 is going to be 312. 312 plus 10 is going to be 322. So we take a look at that number in the tens place. 0, 1, 2. That's how we're going up. Okay, let's look at number 8. 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, 180, 181, 182, 183, and finally 184. Whew, my hand is tired. All right, let's take a look at our pattern. We have 130, 230, 330, 430, 530. We are increasing by what? Are we increasing by +1? Nope. Is it by 10? Nope, it's by hundreds. Look at this. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. I'm going to say they increase. That means go up by 100. Now let's take a look at this one. 320, 330, 340, 350, 360. We're going up by +10. So I'm going to say they increase by 10. They increase by 10. All right, let's go ahead and go on here to the back page. All right. Look for patterns. Sally sees a pattern in these numbers. Describe that pattern. 500, 501, 502, 503, 504, 505. We know that it goes up by ones. I'm going to say it goes up by ones. All right, look at these patterns. Yoshi sees a pattern in these numbers. Describe that pattern. 341, 351. So it's not going up by ones, but it's also not going up by hundreds. What is it going up by? It's going up by tens, +10. It goes up by tens. Or you can write the word form like that. All right. Higher order thinking. Write your own 3-digit numbers. Describe the number pattern for your numbers. So you can do whatever you'd like to. I'm going to do 401, 402, 403, 404, and 405. And my pattern goes up by ones. I'm going to say it goes up by ones. All right, and our assessment, we have to figure out where these 4 cards are going to go inside. All right, go ahead and pause. I'm going to pause the video. You can go ahead and do this. We'll check it on our own. All right, let's take a look. 213, what comes after 213? 214, 220, 221, 222, 223, 224, 230, 231. Phew, great job, everybody.